Today we're just gonna be shooting my pellet gun and really getting it sighted in and dialed in, so I know what I'm shooting and what range I need it at. Alright, turn the camera around. Zoom it in over there. Right. Is that high?
A little bit. Cable. Still recording.
Good. That's good. Why you guys on me?
Just recording. Yeah. It's just to show what they're doing.
I know what I look like. I've done videos before. Alright, here we go. Move it down a little bit. See if it helps. What? Too low?
A little bit. Like a foot. Go like a foot up, Katie. I'm just showing.
Six clicks. 8 clicks.
That was 2.
Yeah. 6 plus 2 is 8.
Oh.
I think.
6, 7, 8. Yep. 6 plus 3 is 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9.
You ain't gotta have the camera on me the whole time.
Just showing for the views.
I'm sure. Piece of junk. I'm sure they don't want to see my face. You gonna have to be.
Just showing.
Alright. Put it back over there on the bar.
Fine.
I killed that one.
One
You
did
wasn't even
kill.
pointing the camera over there.
It was way right there.
Dude, you got this better cameraman. I'm gonna have to hire somebody else.
A little too low.
Still there. Let's speed up, look on.
For real. Oh. You hit the can again.
Yep.
I mean, he got it, Katie.
Yep.
He got it on the camera. It was right here, and it went, seen the camera roll. So. Pretty much, it's doing good.
You guys blood everywhere.
We killed that little deer.
That wasn't a deer. It was a squirrel.
Little Bambi.
One more chance.
Little Bambi. Katie.
He's dead. All of them dead.
Now you want me to go and pick him up?
Sure.
Yeah,
I thought you got one.
Okay, just cordless. You stopping the cameras? Caden?
No. Go. Hurry up. Yes. Yeah. I don't know. I guess shooting it is not real. It is a pellet gun. It does no harm to humans. So I won't get demonetized. And yeah, we'll see me doing a lot of stuff on this channel. A lot of stuff that I'll be able to record. I need to get my GoPro set up because I got one. But I just need a chest strap and get a new charging thingy for the batteries. But this channel, hopefully it'll make it somewhere. So, yeah. Hurry up. Don't break or miss it. I forgot to load it.
So we can. I was just showing loading. What the heck did you get? Caden?
I get the water bottle in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah, the one beside the Sprite bottle.
Hmm?
The one beside the Sprite bottle.
Still there. Got that. Really? How much? Huh?
I said, this is pretty dialed in, if you ask me. Can't wait to do some hunting videos on this. Oh.
What's too low, Caden?
Yeah.
He's back.
Some fishing this weekend.
He's back to knock some little squirrels. Pop.
Dead.
Get dead, Fred.
I'll just lift this Sprite bottle. And
What do you mean? There's 2 water bottles.
yeah, but I've done shot them twice. They dead.
You need to knock them over. They still run. They kick them. Did y'all hear that? That sounded like... Huh?
I'm sure they did. Alright, 3 more shots.
3 more shots, dang. And your little thing?
Lift the camera up.
Caden. Got that. Well, you don't have no 3 more shots in there.
I know, but I'm gonna shoot 3 more times.
Huh.
Alright, so. You want to start shaking all the camera around now. Stop moving. The camera, man.
You can't.
Yeah.
Who?
People.
What
Fill that water bottle again.
You have to knock it over, Katie. You can't knock it over. How'd you get 2? Katie?
2 birds with 1 stone.
Hmm?
2 birds with 1 stone.
There's only 1 left. Pop.
Boom.
Alright, wrap it up.
Alright, so that's gonna conclude the video. And support the channel if you want to. If not, don't leave no hate. Don't start nothing, won't be nothing. Peace.